Hello again. Now I'm arrived in Antwerp, Belgium. Antwerp is the largest city in Belgium. It is the second largest metropolitan region after Brussels. The port of Antwerp is one of the biggest in the world, ranking second in Europe, with a population of 520,000 and 504. It is the most popular city center in Belgium.
Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you. Ain't it twisted, you've been gifted with the evil for you. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head.
And with a metropolitan population of around 1,200,000 people.
Better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid.
Museum aan de Stroom is a museum located along the River Scheldt in the Eilange district of Antwerp, Belgium.
When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded.
Then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
Well, hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you when I see you. Cheers!
Avec